Hey, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Luxury Listing Specialist, and I'm the founder of the Lux designation. You can find out more about that by going to luxurylistingspecialist.com. Luxury Listing Specialist. We don't require any previous luxury sales for you to get certified in luxury. This topic today we're talking about is creating urgency. In many markets, I talk to agents across the world, and in the United States, many markets are slowing down, shifting from hot sellers markets to balanced neutral markets, and in some markets, a buyer's market. So how do you create urgency? Creating urgency. Sometimes you want to create a false sense of urgency if there isn't any real urgency. So one of the ways you can do that is by delaying showings. So let's just say you put a home on the market on Thursday or Friday. In the agent remarks, you might say no showings until next Friday, or the following Monday. So 7 to 10 days. But then you put something in there. If you have a relocation buyer, you have somebody that's looking to buy a home in the next couple days, reach out to me. I might be able to get you in the home. So recently we put this home on the market. You'll see it's got snow in it because we get a lot of snow here in the Midwest. But I put this amazing $1.7 million home on the market. And we put it in the private listing network on a Thursday, and we did just that. No showings until next Friday afternoon. Guess what? We got one showing. They liked it. The agent said this is number one on their list. But before the showing, she says, you got to get me in there. Is there any way you can get me in there? And then we got a second showing lined up from that strategy as well. So creating urgency before you flip the switch, or if you do flip the switch and you make it live, creating urgency and delaying showings. And sometimes you can set up back-to-back showings and they let them know that, hey, we got plenty of time, but we're going to leave the lights on because we have another showing. And that creates urgency, just like an open house creates urgency. Recently we sold a home. You'll see a picture come across. It was an average price property home, great home. She was an interior designer, did some great things, but we created urgency by hosting an open house. We had over 20 people through there. We had 3 offers above asking price. We set a new record sale price, $329 a square foot, and we created urgency. People always want what they can't have, right? That's why Black Friday, they put a limited number of flat screens, and people pitch tents and sleep overnight at Best Buy because it creates urgency. How do you create urgency in real estate? Well, one of the ways you can is delayed showings, and that creates a sense of urgency, and then stack it with an open house. My name is Michael LaFido. If this is valuable to you, please leave us a like, leave us a review, and take care. And for other tips, check out our blog, Lux Redefined, and of course, check out our podcast, luxurylistingpodcast.com. Michael LaFido, make it a great day. Take care.